بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
We can.
والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. My dear students of رياض الصالحين Elementary School Grade 4, peace be upon you. We will have a new unit today, Unit 4. Unit 4 is about how old are you? This is an important question. You may be asked if someone meets you. He asks about your name, what's your name, and he asked about your age. How old are you? How old are you? The unit will be about this question. How old are you? How old are you? As you see here on page 28. Open your books, page 28. The lesson will be about how old are you? We will listen to the lesson and we will discuss it. Listen with me. Listen and see what this girl asked about.
How old are you? I'm 9 years old.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old.
Again, listen with me. Listen.
How old are you? I'm 9 years old.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old.
This girl asks her friend, she asks, how old are you? She asks her, how old are you? She is 9 years old. This girl is 9 years old. طب how old is this girl? She is 10 years old. She is 10 years old. بتقول I am 10 years old. If I ask you, لو أنا أسألك وأقول لك how old are you? What is your answer? إيش ردك؟ تقول I am 9 years old. Again, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? تقول I am 9 years old. I am 9 years old. Let's move to the next section of the unit 4, which is about how old are you. We listen to the first exercise. Listen with me.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Listen.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old. How old are you? I'm 9 years old. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. I've finished.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
The question is how old are you? Repeat after me. قول معي. How old are you? How old are you? تقول I am 9 years old. I am 9 years old. طيب. After these two exercises I can say my age. أقدر أقول عمري. تقدر تقول عمرك. تقول I am 9 years old. في شخص ممكن يقول I am 10 years old. How old are you? I am 9 years old. I am 10 years old. طيب هنا the first goal I can say my age. The second goal ask someone. أقدر أسأل هذا السؤال how old are you. أقدر أسأل هذا السؤال أقول how old are you and get the answer وأعرف الإجابة وأعرف كمان أرد. This is the point. طيب let's move to the next part. احنا قلنا this is لا this is unit 3. احنا we finished it. unit 4 قلنا هنا the two exercises. هنا this one بنسمع مرة كمان أخيرة.
How old are you? I'm 9 years old.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old.
طيب the next exercise this one. Listen.
Are you ready? Let's start.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old. How old are you? I'm 9 years old. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. I've finished.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
طيب let's move to the workbook which will be on Unit 4. Unit 4 is about how old are you. Open your workbook, page 87. What's this page? This page is 87. Here we will listen to...
Hi, how are you? Are you ready for Goal 25? Good. Let's start. I can say my age. Exercise 1. Listen and practice.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old. I'm 9 years old.
Great! You did it! Now trace the light gray words. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write. You've finished Goal 25. Well done. Now do Goal 26.
After listening to this exercise, exercise 1 on page 87, what is this question? How old are you? How old are you? And the question mark. How old are you? I am 10 years old. This boy says, I am 10 years old. Again, how old are you? I am 10 years old. This boy says, I am 9 years old. After we listen to these sentences and the question, we will write the sentence. We will write these sentences as homework. This one, how old are you? I am 10 years old. I am 9 years old. Exercise 2 on page 87 will be about writing letter Y, capital Y. Trace and write Y. This is Y. Starting from up to down to the second line. We go up again and we go down by this way. We will write this letter. What's this letter? This is Y, capital Y. Here on page 87, the question was, how old are you? I am 10 years old and I am 9 years old. At the end of the page, we will write this letter, Y. It's Y. If we go to page 88, it will be about the same question. نفس السؤال. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? This boy says, I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. Listen with me. Listen.
Are you ready for Goal 26? Good. Let's start. I can ask someone, how old are you? And get the answer. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Say your age.
How old are you? I'm 10 years old.
I'm years old.
I'm 3,000 years old.
Great! You did it! Now trace the light gray words and write your age. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write.
This page is
You've
homework.
finished Goal 26. Well done! Remember to practice. When you see a friend, ask how old they are. Bye!
يبقى هنا on this page, page 87, these 3 sentences will be homework as this one. The question is, how old are you? and the answer is I am 10 years old. How old are you? I am 10 years old. and هنا بتكتب your age، بتكتب عمرك. if you are 9 بتكتب 9. if you are 10 بتكتب 10، تقول I am 10 years old. write the number، اكتب الرقم عمرك. إذا كان 9 بتكتب 9، إذا كان عمرك 10 بتكتب 10. but this pyramid is very old، لكن هذا الهرم very old. how old is this pyramid? it is 3000 years old. 3000 سنة. this pyramid is 3000 years old. At the end of the page we will write the last letter, capital Z. This is Z, capital. طيب, we finish this. We will go about how old we will see this PowerPoint from the beginning. Look, this girl asks her friend، بتقول لها how old are you؟ قالت I am 10 years old. Again, this is the question. How old are you? I am 10 years old. This girl asks her friend، بتقول لها ايش؟ بتقول لها how old are you؟ تاني again. How old are you? I am 10 years old. She is 6 years old. هي this girl says I am 10 years old but her sister is 6 years old. أو ممكن هذه البنت تقول I am 6 years old أو I am 10 years old. نشوف another. I am 10 years old بنقول I am، ما أقول I is. I am. how old، أقول how old is you ولا أقول how old are you؟ how old are you are. how old are you؟ the next sentence. هذا الدرس درس سهل بيتكلم على one question how old are you and I get the answer وبعرف الإجابة. بقول I am 10 years old. أقول how old، ما أقول what old، أقول how old. how old. يبقى احنا في نهاية الدرس بنقدر نسأل هذا السؤال. تقدر تسأل زميلك أو أخوك أو أي شخص تقول له how old are you؟ how old are you؟ وبتعرف الإجابة. if he asks how old are you، لو هو سألك وقال لك how old are you will tell him the answer. تقول له I am 9 years old أو I am 10 years old. This is our lesson today. I hope to see you soon. ونشوفكم إن شاء الله في حصة جاية بإذن الله. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.